I just stepped out of the boardroom to give you some important information. Hi, I'm Barbara Clemons, the Bay East Association of Realtors 2024 President. And I want to follow up on an email that was sent out to all of our members on March 15th, announcing the National Association of Realtors had accepted a proposed settlement in the Sitzer-Burnett Class Action Commission lawsuit. Since that time, there has been a media storm that you and your clients may have seen. Some of the information out there is incomplete. Some of it is accurate. And much of it is sensationalized or inaccurate. Either way, there is a great deal of confusion about what the proposed settlement means for home buyers, home sellers, and the realtors who work with them. Rest assured, Bay East is here to provide clarity and support. From the day the verdict in this case was announced about 4 months ago, we hosted numerous panels, live trainings, and virtual town halls with legal and transaction experts. Thousands of our members have been opening and reading our emails and social media posts on this lawsuit, and hundreds of them have gone through free online training on the CAR buyer-broker agreement. We will continue to provide you with timely and accurate information and more virtual and live training and town halls, so you can prepare yourselves for the anticipated changes to your business. If you weren't able to get into the live events we scheduled this week, know that we are already working on adding more. What can you do right now? Make sure you're receiving our emails, our email newsletter, the Insider, and our education updates. If you are a broker, make sure you are receiving the broker-centric e-newsletter. Follow us on social media. Check our website at www.bayeast.org for frequent updates. Learn more about making the buyer-broker agreement part of your business. Take advantage of the free online training that the California Association of Realtors is providing this year. NAR is also providing free accredited buyer representation online classes, and that is a $600 savings. And what about all those legal questions you may have? The CAR Legal Hotline is a valuable resource available to our realtor members. Check the comments section below for links to the resources I've mentioned, and go to our website for more information. It's true that we are facing changes in how we do business. But during this last few years, we've shown how we can adapt and even thrive when confronted with change. Bay East is here to help you understand and work through these changes. Thank you for watching. Now it's time for me to get back to work.